Well, just got time for one more bale. I took a long break today. We'll get back to it later. But we're just about done with that little bit that I raked up the other day. So far, so good. Put quite a few bales through it. This last one. Taking it nice. Not shooting out the top. That's the big thing. Once that shoots out the top, I'll get a little bit down again, but it sucks it back down. Alright, now let's put her up and get her up to go. I hated this thing. Well, I feel a little bit better about it now. Well, that'll about do it for today at least. But I know I got a good workable machine now. She'll start on a windrow like that. That's some pretty nasty stuff. I mean, that is dry and hard. I'll take this bale back up to the yard. I'll just put it out. Put some bales out for those cows. Yeah, I'm happy. Real happy.